artist, all right? He goes by the name of J Stepper. So everybody, round of applause for J Stepper, come on!
Thank you, host. Thank you, Reggae Telegraph. Thank you, everyone here. It's a pleasure to be here. A pleasure. Yeah, my DJ, one track, one friends. This tune is called Live It Up. It's on the album Step 4 by J Step on Sky Crew. It's featuring King G-Ray, produced by Louis M. and Ruin the Sky. I want to big up teaching everyone inside this place. How's we turn shit up? Bring up some bass, Mr. DJ. And we can sing along for this. Oh my, live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up. Oh, yeah. Live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up. Oh, yeah. What you say, Reverend Telegraph? I say we live it up, I say don't give it up. This life that we love, yes we live it up. We don't come here to run and play. Working hard, yes we come here to stay. Hey, say don't give it up, I say we live it up. This life that we love, yes we live it up. We don't come here to run and play. Working hard, yes we come here to stay. Hey, the style that we live, who's good in that is real. The life we love that we don't talk, we don't know the deal. Now right there with respect, I don't want to stop the bills. I make a dictionary without wasting any skill. Now when we down to stay alive, live it up and we can fight. Bring it up and we just stand and time it up, don't live it. Now let the good times pass me by, appreciation for this life. We're living for the truth, not living for the life. Live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up. Oh, Reggae Telegraph, yeah. Sing along, man. Live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up. Oh, yeah. What we say? Say we live it up, say don't give it up. This life that we love, yes we live it up. We don't come here to run back. Working hard, yes we come here to stay. Hey, say don't give it up, say we live it up. This life that we love, yes we live it up. We don't come here to run and play. Alright, we tell everyone this what we say. I want to say your respect down to you, turning one inside this place. We jump into the rhythm and we rock to the bass. We rock to the rhythm and we wanna stay the case. We're in the reggae guys, I'm in the reggae showcase. I big up to the guys, I mean no big up to you. Big up to the raven and we rock it right through. We wanna speak the truth and I will speak no lie. All my time I beat, I don't need no alibi. Live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up. I'm going to try and slow it down a bit, man, and then I'm going to try and pace it up after that. Try anyway. Next track, thank you. This song is called One Day. It's off the album Step Forward again by J Step and Sky Crew. This is all about love, peace and unity, for the unity and for communities, for everyone and each and everyone inside this place, and out and worldwide. We want to stop the fussing and fighting. Spread love and peace in here. Out to you. I wanna spread some love and peace and unity. I'm singing up, singing up, singing up. One day in our life, how we go without a fight? Stop the war of nations fight, make everything right. One day in our life, how we give peace a try. Stop the war of nations fight, make everything right. Now the nation stop the evil trade. Fighting is what we mistake. We negotiate, peace we educate. Love can educate. Why don't we just elevate before a man decides to eradicate? If it's not too late, how can we change our fate? We Without the war and fights in the life would be great. This nations want to dominate, blame it on the war of hate. Give his wish to terminate. How will we liberate? One day in our life, can't go without a fight. Stop the war of nations fight. Make everything alright. One day in our life, can we give peace a try? Yeah, rock track, man. Yeah, take it down, man. Take it down, take it down. Yeah, man. I'm not connected with the people in here, man, with that one. You know that. I'm gonna pace it up, you know, because I don't feel that I was connected with that one. So maybe
We're connected.
we'll run track 8. We'll run track 8, man. We'll get some pace. Yeah. Oh my. And you fast on the bass inside this place, man. I wanna see the people dancing inside. I wanna see the people rocking the vibe. I wanna jump in style. Hey, hey, hey. We beautiful supply the seeds. We have our culture and creed. We one thing that's I agree. It's about time that this land was free. Beautiful supply the seeds. Have our culture and creed. One thing that's I agree. It's about time that this land was free. Ganja is the weed, gives me such ability to make me feel high, peace and tranquility. I said the ecstasy and not to say the harmony. A herbalistic remedy that should be grown freely. Scaling this restrict to the made illegal. We all know this herb ain't dangerous or lethal. Never known anyone that's smoke and be evil. The truth is a smoking ingredient makes me believe. We beautiful supply the seeds. We have the agriculture and creed. One thing that I agree, it's about time. Everyone! Beautiful supply the seeds. Have the agriculture and creed. One thing that I agree. Hey, when I say ganja, you say weed. Ganja, ganja. When I say ganja, you say weed. Ganja, ganja. Oh my, yeah, because he's just inside this place. Are we not smoking on the herb and not smoking on the spirit? Hyping on the place when the drop again. We beautiful supply the seeds. We have our culture and creed. We one thing that's I agree. It's about time that this land is free. Beautiful supply the seeds. Have our culture and creed. One thing that I agree. It's about time that this land is free. Smoking on the herb, AIDS on my spirit. Ages and nations, they all start to know it. That people think like I'm sounding like a spit, but I'm telling them now it's all come through it. We don't need to inspire, we need a fire. Birches are fire, a natural reaction to make me feel higher. When I'm on the weed and I'm running no liar. Have the culture and creed. Have the culture and creed. Have the culture and creed. Whoa, whoa. We just plant the seeds. Have the culture and creed. One thing that I agree, it's about time this land was free. Hey, yeah, big up teaching them inside this place. Obviously the track of this style is called Weed. You know what it's all about, man. Thank you to the showcase for letting me get on, man. Nice one.
No, Jay Stepper, come down. Jay Stepper, come down. Hey. Good. How you doing?
Good man, yeah, I like that.
You like the reception? Next time we're going to make sure there's more people. Yeah? Let people know where you're coming from and how long you've been doing music for. Yeah? And let them know where they can purchase your music from. Give them your network details. Because they're good.
You can listen to the whole album on my Facebook page. It's all there. It's there to listen to for free, man. There's no charge on it. You know what I'm saying? It's Jay Stepper Facebook page. The whole album's there to listen to and other tracks. How long have I doing music for?
Yeah.
I made my first tune when I was about 15, so that must have been about. But my pals haven't listened to that. I can't really work that out, but I've always been making tunes and vibing for a long time. And they never took me seriously, man. You know what I mean?
That's good. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Jay Stepper! Okay, we're gonna change it up. Some artists are arriving in. Big up my friend Deegs Miliano. Deegs Miliano. I'm gonna big up my friend. Big up all the artists. If you're any artists inside and they're coming to perform tonight, just come up to the DJ booth. Let us know you're here. Let us know what you're about to do and what you're doing, and then we can sort it out. Right now, we're gonna get some different type of thing going on the stage right now. It's called One Day Explosion UK Reggae Dancehall. So once again, pick up everyone coming in tonight. But this time we're going to go universal. I went to a place last night called RMS. Yeah, and I saw 2 hip-hop guys. White Ash, I'm speaking to you alone, right? 1, 2. Right, yeah, sir. Yeah? So ladies and gentlemen, is that really good? We're good to go. Big up my, I never knew you did the video, you're supposed to be up here helping me.
I will in a minute.
Big up the video star, member of the Inspired by Music team, alright? Representing the UK Reggae Dancehall fraternity and the full team. Alright, so we got everyone right now inside. We've got 2 rappers coming on the stage right now. So I want everyone to give a big hand and a round of applause for SHAWN, STEIN and Mikey. Everyone, SHAWN, STEIN and Mikey, round of applause!
Respect. Yeah. Good night everyone in the building. Big up Jason Braylon, Big shot. Yeah. This track is called My Block here, but
This one right here,
my state.
it's about my block. Yeah,
Alright.
I'ma take you on a trip around my block. Listen.
I take a walk around my town. The first thing I see is a guy with a frown. I keep it moving and I wonder to myself, what did we come to be in the living hell? False pride got me hoping for a better life. They got my brother saying he ain't afraid to die. Listen to my words, I'm telling you what I see. Immense poverty, we all trying to get free. They smuggle us drugs, then they're calling us thugs. They see you soft, if you ain't gonna bust slugs. Girls on the blocks, they all wanna be seen. Fucking brothers just to wear a pair of jeans. It's all crazy, it's complicated. So many talented, but they never made it. Young life, that's the way this shit goes. Another brother falls, I feel it when the wind blows. Another brother goes jail for the murder. It's all planned, niggas should've lived long. I wanna know where did we go wrong. The only way to make some money is to go behind the laws. That's some weak, we chase the paper, they say that it's greed. The young kids ain't got no role models. 14, now they sipping from the brown bottle. Who to blame is all he sees every day. The only motivation is to get paid. I see my mom try her best just to force a smile. I thank the Lord, I could have been a foster child. I see my dad work trying to get paid. When I was on the street trying to get laid, it's all the trash living on the counter flats. I see condoms lying on the staircase. I keep it moving, holding a straight face. The pipes leaking, even the leaks are slow. I know the government don't care about the poor. I see the old man sitting in his wheelchair. It's not my favorite so rude. With the dead, we got youth clubs, but they don't change shit. It's no different, it's more money wasted. And money's homeless, and it feels hopeless. Can't pay the rent, so you know it's more stress. We get regular visits from the police again and again. Wanna catch a slipper just to put us in the pen. I know one day we all gonna be free. Until then, it's I know one day we all gonna be free. Until then, a nigga stuck it up in some cheese. Yeah.
No, I ain't done it.
No, I ain't done yet. It's all about my block.
Yeah.
I see lost ones arguing over boyfriends, brothers using young girls as their toy friends. It's late at night and I know what's his name coming, took a cab, didn't pay. So now it starts running, it's the way it is, living at the bottom. And there's a nigga right now gripping on the sun. We're suffering, so we all get pissed off. I made my way inside when the fight kicked off. After school, young kids jamming on the road. What do you do when your ego is overloaded? To make it worse, I can't even get a drop of pray, but I'm probably praying to the wrong God. Hustling, so we're throwing dances off the wall. I got my phone and I'm waiting for a special call. Peer pressure is the main cause of defeat. You have to watch your back when you're on the street, caught in the trap, not seeing clearly. All this bullshit is making me feel weary. No one sees me when my eyes are teary. On the block, only a few will survive. With the hearts, the rest already died. I keep my head up, searching for better things.
Africa. You guys like hip hop? Who likes hip hop in the building?
Yeah.
Holla, holla. Alright, cool. Tell me what you think. Tell me something a brother don't know. Have you ever lied? Have you ever cried? I let you know I got them pepper eyes. They will actually over special fries. Yeah, this don't act alright. At this rate, the revolution will be televised. I carry on telling skies, stop making Skype, this end your life. You're in a broadband battle with Facebook till you Facebook, now you got that baked cake look. Less than what gasoline or what a flame took. Best oxymoron to explain them is straight crook. Confused being with the deranged look. Just trying to make good. I become a life poet, just trying to make books. So, tell my fans don't make me an idol. I'm a person who I'll wait till I find me a title. Enough lyrics to write a whole new rap bible, so erratic I spit over tech guns and Mac virus.